Hi everyone, Colin here and welcome back to another video. I've got jade plants at my front door, my back door, and now a number of cuttings of jade plants all over the place. I've got cuttings in my aquarium, we've got cuttings growing outdoors, and I've now got so many cuttings of jade plants I'm starting to wonder where I'm going to put the next ones. And as it turns out, my idea for my next jade plant experiment is going to be a terrarium. So I'm off looking at other plants that I might combine with the jade plants inside a glass container. And as I look through this garden centre store, there are all manner of different plants that look really interesting. Lots of colours, lots of different leaf shapes, and many of them of course are also succulents, which means they're going to grow quite slowly, which is perfect for a terrarium, and on top of that, very low maintenance. There are certainly plants that look incredibly lush, as well as other plants that have far more of a desert look about them. So I'm not really quite sure which way I'm going to go with the plants. And as we look at these different options, I wonder what you think would be a good range of plants to keep with a jade plant in a terrarium. Any ideas, put down in the comments section down below. But there really is a huge number of different plants to combine. The trouble is, this is only one little bowl, so I'm going to have to really make some tough decisions about which ones make it and which ones don't. There's a very good chance I'll end up making a number of different terrariums, I think, just to get a few interesting combinations. There are so many really cool looking plants. In the next video coming up, you're going to see how I'm going to combine these plants into my terrarium and how the whole project turns out. This is going to look really, really interesting. There is a huge number of plants to choose from to create your own special little world inside a bowl. Now this plant has me thinking this is a really cool looking plant. I think this one deserves to go in there somehow. So in the comment section down below, let me know what plants you think should be in the terrarium, and we'll see in the next video which ones end up going in there. Thank you for watching. I hope your aquariums or terrariums are going well. Till the next video, all the very best to you all.